Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can not get attacked by Nurse Julie. This is pretty old, but the way people try doing it is they dress up as Lana. So I'm just going to dress up Lana when she is Lana has like the nail tech one, and I'm just going to select this hair. I know her face is different now. I'm also going to select the shirt, color it white. Then I'm going to select the skirt, color it white, and then I'll also just get these shoes, and I'm just going to color it white for the manicure pedicure Lana version, the nail salon Lana. There's also like the childhood Lana. To be honest, I'm not bothered to do her face right now, but she uses like these jeans and then this shirt. Turn off like the graphic tee, obviously. Color it like this kind of color, maybe like a little bit lighter. And then she like uses this belt, color it white, and then use these shoes, and then voila. Don't forget to change her face though. But yeah, that's pretty much how people try to like not get attacked by Nurse Julie on Dress to Impress. The quest is over though, but yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.